Yeah. Now we're in London Gatwick. We have a stopover of 6 hours. So we're thinking about going to the city, have a little lunch, or actually it's just breakfast time. It's very early. We just slept for 3 hours. I'm gonna try vegan hot sauce for the first time. It's good, but it's not sausage at all. It tastes like dough.
What are we taking?
You tell me. This is the bathroom.
This is your key, room key. There you go. You want to go upstairs to have dinner?
We just got our instructions for the whole week. So we stay here for 4 days. We will start tomorrow at 8 with a yoga class, and then we have our breakfast, and then we'll have surfing lessons. Also, we booked a cooking class tomorrow, so I'm very excited for that one as well. What are your first impressions here?
I feel a bit lonely. They have 2 locations here, and we just found out that the other location is like their main location, and like
All the activities are there.
the meeting point and stuff, and the yoga classes, and also the cooking class.
Also, they said around here it's more private and chill, and the other one is where kind of the party is going on and a lot of people are gathering there. Alright, we'll probably just call it a day and go to sleep.
Since we haven't slept in a while, no, just kidding, but
And also we'll have a yoga class tomorrow.
morning
Very early.
and 7:40 in the morning. Are you meeting up?
So we'll see you tomorrow.
Do we look alike? Do we?
Yeah, your makeup's much
I know.
The weather is so gloomy, so foggy. Does not look like a surf weather at all. No, so sad.
The weather is very bad. Oh, really?
Switch.
Ah, okay.
Thank you.
Oh wow, wow, that's so beautiful.
Half spoon of ginger.
What is this? Unforgettable. Like unforgettable.
It's easy. Don't put here in the mist, just a little.
Yeah. Oh, that's sweet. How do you serve them? Like, what are you writing?
Easier.
We're now waiting for our surf lessons to start. So yesterday we had our first surfing class and it was so exhausting. Surfing is hard and I got so much of a muscle pain. We learned a lot. I was so happy that I managed to stand up on my board. I didn't expect to be able to do that after one lesson. Generally the camp is so cute. All the people, there's so many different people coming together.
Como tú que tampoco nos digan nada con ese choca. Lupita, me cinturita. Ay, 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 Lupita. Que sí, me cinturita. Que sí, me cinturita.
Yes.
10.
10. Yeah.
Nice, Morocco!
Yes. Yeah? Who says no? I'm surprised.
We had all the music.
Good morning vlog. I just got ready a little bit, but I am so tired and my whole face is so puffy. I don't know, I'm so exhausted from all the surfing. Also, my scalp is so burned. I really feel that my scalp has a sunburn and it's so sensitive. It really hurts. I decided to not do any makeup today because anyways, when we're in the water, wow, the waves, they're just washing everything away. There's no chance that you will look good. I look so ugly when I surf. I just look like a dying wet dog or something. Yesterday was a bad day for me. I didn't make it to get any waves and stand up, But my sister did so great. I saw a lot of progress, so that was amazing. But today I feel like I need to go deeper into the water, because when you're more on the beach side, then you will get all the waves that got broken, and that's so exhausting, because then you're fighting constantly against the water, you get flood away, and then your board even that would hit you, and the waves are just so strong. So I would highly recommend to go deeper into the water so that you can chill more on your surfboard, and then also it's easier to catch the waves and stand up. I don't get to film a lot because constantly we're on the way and we're surfing so much. I think we surf like probably 2 to 3 hours per day. The food is very nice here. They do all home cooking. They have like private chefs here. But breakfast is very mid, I would say. Every single morning we have the same. It's basically just bread with some spreads and pancakes. The lunch is not covered. We usually just go to the other place. It's called The Jungle, and we usually get a smoothie bowl and something savory.
So, copy me. Stand up.
Why? What are we
We're
doing?
draining our fluids. Wenn ich ein bisschen rumbummeln würde, dann wäre ich schon.
M'agrada a mi.
Probably.
We will now go to Taghazout, which is the city center. Oh my god! Oh, it's so tiny. I'm in my bed right now to take a little rest. I am so exhausted. Earlier we just met some new people, and my friends here, they, oh my gosh, my face is so white and my hands are so black. Oh my gosh, look at this. I also have a sunburn. It's hurting so much. And yeah, we decided to meet them again because we just had dinner at our hotel, and we'll go back to Taghazout and go to a bar and meet them. I'm so tired. I just want to stay here and rest, and but I have some young girlfriends here, and they said you only live once, and they are quite true about that. We now have breakfast and then get ready again, and then head to our surfing spots. 街の明かりがぼやけてる理解できぬ何も見えぬ静かな街の声が It's our last surfing day. 瞳の奥に広がる見えない世界が呼ぶ何もない空白の On to the next journey. We are now waiting for our bus to go to Essaouira. We're currently in Agadir, which is the next big city to have a bus station. I am super sad to leave that surf camp. It was so fun. I just love meeting new people, being together with other people, having a community. It's so lively and vibrant. People all over Europe were there gathering. Also, we felt that there's so much of a cultural difference. I just saw a model or a theory that northern countries have very different vibes to southern countries, especially in Europe, and that's what we really felt. We Germans, we were all like very quiet and calm. And then also we met some Spanish girls that were so loud and partying, putting on music very loudly. And honestly, that was what I was missing, because we're just so calm that sometimes it even gets a little bit boring. So really appreciated that those two young girls joined us. My sister and I, we're now on our own for the first. So see you in Essaouira.